Well, I finally got back to this project. Um, so this axis is pretty much done. At some point I might make this out of aluminum, but the important parts are made out of metal. So as you can see, I'm just running it back and forth. So the limitation right now with the printer port that I am running is around 60 inches a minute. I've been running this for a few hours now. You can see it comes right back to zero. Run it much faster, it starts losing encoder counts. So I'm finally starting to put things on a board. Not everything is mounted, but I have these two PWM or pulse width modulated servo amps that are I think I got 5 of them for 20 bucks. And they're working pretty darn awesome. They're 25 volt, 47 amps or something like that. And that works out great. I'm using this 25 or 24 volt power supply to run them. So that's running the servos here. And this is my poor man's e-stop. Oh, I can show that. So I have the e-stop hooked in, right? So, hey, look at this. E-stop. All right. And you can see in Linux CNC, it says, hey, there's an e-stop. So if I undo this, and then I have a button to re-enable, it's a latching relay, set up as a latching relay. This is actually a 4-pole double throw. And so one of the poles does the latching, the second pole does the signal back to Linux CNC to say now it's out of e-stop. So now I can turn this back on. Oh, where's the mouse? And I can hit play. And hey, look at this. It's right back to where it was. I guess I could have pushed it around a little too, but you get the gist of it. This is true closed loop through the freaking printer port. So this, the way it's set up right now, it'll be around 60 inches per minute solid. I'm okay with that. I mean, it's still almost twice as fast as what the original machine did with steppers. I still want to. I still have to set up home switches and get that all set up. And what else? Oh, then what I'm going to do, where is it? I'm going to show you what the difference would be using a Mesa card. So this would just go here. So I can show you both options. This, I would assume, would allow way above 200 inches per minute. I know this because I've done this before. But this is to show you, hey, you can get into closed loop coolness with a freaking printer port. And really the limitation is that the input scale of this, because of these encoders, is pretty darn high. The computer can't count that quick. But 60 inches per minute, pretty darn fast for a lathe that's this small. So yeah, I'm pretty happy how this is coming together so far. No major problems. And still have a little bit of wire dress up to do, and hooking up the spindle encoder. And I'm going to use where is it? I'm going to use an AMC drive for the spindle. That'll go like here somewhere. I still have to build a PWM to plus or minus 10 volt circuit to run this. So that'll be soon, I think. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Yeah, it's a mess, but hey, I'm pretty happy with it. It's working pretty good. So talk to you guys later.